It is Thursday, so that means the Titanic here at BrickScalestudio. Another progress report episode is coming your way right now. Welcome back to BrickScalestudio. My name is Jeff. Thank you so much for joining me. So as I mentioned, this week we won't be doing any building. We'll be recapping the last 4 weeks of our progress. So let's get into the recap footage and then we can talk about it after. To recap this episode, we built the 4th funnel and attached it to the funnel base. And then we completed the first class smoking room and attached all these little details on there, and then we also put some veneer and some benches on the big long deck piece that we've been working on. There's just not room for it here now, but we did that also. Then on the Lego side, we finished this hull piece and got it attached, and then we started work on the other side hull piece, which we will continue in the next episode. So that does it for episode 29. To recap what we have done in this episode, on the scale model side, we made this second class entry section here. And then we also, again, I'm not going to bring over that huge long deck piece, but we did some more lifeboats and more davits for that section. And then over on the Lego side, we finished this hull piece, and then we bulked up this section here and added some detail along there. So that will do it for episode 30. All right, to recap this episode, on the scale model side, we got the more davits and lifeboats. We also attached this deck here to this big long deck piece. We attached the funnel section. And then we also had a hull piece. So we attached that as well. I'm going to get this out of the way for the moment. And then on the Lego side, we worked on this section here, all this white section, and then also adding some of the decks here. So that will do it for episode 31. Okay, let's recap what we did in this episode. So on the scale model side, we attached, we installed this brace and we got some more hull pieces installed. So I'm going to set this off to the side. And then we have all of our deck pieces joined and then all the funnel pieces installed. And we tested all of the lights. We got the davits in the front and the back. So looking very good there. And then over on the Lego side, we just keep building up this section here. We got this deck tiled off, and then we started working on another funnel assembly. But that will do it for episode 32. All right, so before we get into talking about our progress, let's do the summary really quick. So total to date on the scale model side, we've completed 420 steps and used 777 parts. On the Lego side, we've completed 901 steps and 3,934 parts. So pretty impressive, especially on the Lego side. We're barely over a third of the way through, and we've used 4,000 parts. We still have over 5,000 to go. So super exciting there. And I feel like we kind of hit a milestone on the scale model side. We got that whole big long deck piece completed, and we got all the lights installed, and we've got that tested. So we saw the uplights for all 4 funnels. We saw the underlighting for the whole deck from stem to stern. So exciting there. We added some hull pieces. So I've not looked ahead. I'm not sure what's coming up next week, if we are going to be adding more hull pieces, if we're going to be working on some different internal components. I don't know. I haven't looked ahead, so your guess is as good as mine. But until we get there, remember to like, share, subscribe. It really helps the channel. The subscribe button is totally free, so if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do it. It doesn't cost you anything. It just notifies you when new videos come out. We're trying to hit some subscriber milestones to give away free Lego. If you win, I cover the shipping, so there's definitely nothing to lose, and you could win some pretty cool sets. We've got a Star Wars AT-AT coming up, and Lego Endurance, a big 3,000 plus piece set. It's a sailing ship from the early 20th century. So very cool build and some cool history. So hit that subscribe button, and until we see each other again, happy building, take care, be kind to each other, and I'll see you soon.